Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Control lamps or appliances from smartphones and tablets with the Legrand Home Plus control app. Even schedule them. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Installs easily in place of an existing outlet. Can be wired to extend control to all outlets downstream or. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Protects children with a patented tamper-resistant shutter system that prevents improper insertion of foreign. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.